And now weather with meteorologist Elisa Raffa.
Good morning. Thanks for joining us. If you just missed it a couple minutes ago, we do now have an EF1 tornado that was confirmed near Midday, Missouri from yesterday. It did uproot a couple of trees. There was some partial roof damage to mobile homes there. Numerous power lines down too. It was EF1 with 90-mile-per-hour winds. The path length over almost 9.5 miles, and it lasted 20 minutes. It started at about 6:45, didn't end until after 7. The width of the tornado was 100 yards wide. Again, the storm reports from yesterday are continuing to get added as the Weather Service is out now surveying some of these areas. We had one tornado near Diggins, Missouri, another one near Aurora, and then one up towards Marionville, and then that new report now from Midday, Missouri. Again, once more of these surveys come in and more complete, then we'll be able to see which ones were the same path, or, you know, was this one long path of a tornado, or was it actually 3 separate tornadoes? Again, we're continuing to add these reports, and we'll fill in that picture a little bit better as the day goes on. Recorded rainfall, we are getting impressive rainfall reports in from yesterday too. Most of it pretty spotty, but look at the areas with some of these greens and yellows. That's where we had some of that locally heavy rain. Springfield got about 1.5 inches of rain yesterday. Aurora over 2.5 inches. Carthage over 2.25, about 2.25 also in Mount Vernon, and then Seymour got 1.5 inches. So some of us did get that soaking that we need, but again, it wasn't everyone. Right now we've got some benign showers out there from Lebanon through Mountain Grove towards Ava and down towards that state line. Not too much going on with these showers. They kind of popped up earlier this morning, and you can see they've been pushing east. Nothing severe in there yet, but we do have cloud cover hanging around with it. Still tracking the same system. It's spinning over southern Iowa here. It's draping a cold front through the area, and that cold front is going to be the center of where we'll see some more showers and storms develop by this afternoon. Looks really pretty on this visible satellite image. If you see some of those little bulgy clouds, those are the cloud tops. It just looks very impressive, especially for August, right? This is something that you usually see more in March, so a very impressive system. As this system, it's stalling, it's taking its time, it's trying to get out of here, but as it does so, it will kick more showers and storms and another threat for severe weather. That enhanced risk, the more numerous risk, sits well to our east, the Missouri Boot Heel, and then getting into Tennessee and Kentucky. We're on the outskirts. What we'll likely see happen with this is we'll be the starting point for the storms. They'll initiate in our area, maybe 1 or 2 of them will be strong to severe in that green, and then in the yellow, and the marginal and the slight, and then they're going to organize and fire up to the east. So hopefully we miss out on the main show and we just kind of start up the show instead. The severe threats for us, low to moderate. We're really looking at those winds, 60 miles per hour. We're keeping an isolated tornado threat, hail to quarter size, and localized flooding also possible. Future cast, again, really honing in on that easterly component, but again, kind of out of our area. Hopefully we'll just see them fire up here, and then they'll really organize and strengthen to the east. But we'll keep those spotty showers and thunderstorms through the evening with temperatures around 80 degrees. Clouds linger overnight, and then by tomorrow we'll clear out some of the clouds, have some partly cloudy skies, and temperatures around 82. 80 degrees today with some showers and storms, especially to the east. 65 overnight. A spotty shower could linger. We'll keep the cloud cover. 82 tomorrow, partly cloudy and cool for August. Pretty similar on Wednesday, 81 with a mix of sun and clouds. A storm chance Thursday and Friday.